Dem no dey tell tortoise say race don start. Dem no dey tell blind man say salt no dey food o. My people, time don reach make we torchlight wetin dey shele inside we local government. Why e be say local government no dey again? Wetin dey shele for inside we local government administration, plus including wetin we fit do to columbi back our local government so that we fit enjoy our local government and we community so e go better again. This na why we bring una this ogbonge program we dey call am public intel. This program we go dey enter the public with politics, economy, security and even food security, plus including other sengemenge issues wey concern us. Public intel go dey come your domot for every Wednesday for 7 o'clock for evening, come go reach 7:30 on top ASO radio 93.5 FM Abuja. Make una no miss am o, make una no miss am o. Make una come make we join body, gun body, put body together because Naija na we country and na we go make am work o.
Adams now sing that better song what we just hear now, Nigeria, my beloved. Yes, brotherly, sisterly, auntie, uncle, mama, papa, anywhere on a day, I want salute to now. Welcome to a program for ASO Radio 93.5 FM Abuja. My name is Dakore Ekpendu and this na Public Intel. Public Intel na that ogbonge program with the tutorial your ear and mind as well. As they bring better informate come for your domot about anything we concern local community for security. Today we also want to talk about food security for we local government, for we local community, as we go take make it better for us. And again, as it for studio, I not dey alone, I dey with Collins Ajibola.
That a day they talk say the whatever they take doable, they feel enter kettle back. My name na Collins, and I did very sure say Abuja and Nigerians don't prepare again for us. Make we bring them that program where we always bring them where they talk about how betterment of life go be for our own country people.
True talk, say from day one, science they always gaslight our matter for our own jollification. What I mean be saying. Science, they always make things, they jollificate for us. And say sometimes, if science, I just wonder if science, no, they call it how it for be.
See, if for be as he gets, and if for get as he be. But yes, because imagine, say, science, no, the way be, say, the way we, God created human being, and he creates that science, and he gives human being that knowledge. If you remember waiting the talk for our holy Bible, our holy books, even Quran and Bible talk and say, the first people where God create, say they know they wear clothes. So imagine science no day, and today we know they wear clothes. That now one. And imagine science no day where we say today, even as people they hear us for radio, they know if you hear us. Imagine say science no day. That time we say we go queue for where they make phone call. That phone where you could call your power.
You can climb tree.
They find or you go tell person say I beg my brother go call around 6 p.m. When I go queue for one person house for the whole town. But today now, anywhere where you dey, in fact if you put that for your pocket, if you want hang out for neck, now the advantage of science be that.
So today we want to talk about how science take meet agriculture. That one come in, so we'll talk about food security. You see this food security issue I know they talk for over how many weeks now? It dey sweet my belly well. And to talk to say yes, every man suppose eat. Everybody supposed to get something waiting for in table. Now because they say today we must talk about this food security. I don't know if now towards the end of the year we go even stop talking all to the talk about them, or we go still they continue to the talk about them. Yes, today we want to talk about the mystery behind food security, and I go better for we Obodo Naija. Waiting one yarn today for the topic now. The role of biotechnology in enhancing crop yield and productivity. That one means what biotechnology they play for with food matter. How it takes here, Collins?
In fact, say before we come to studio, I don't chop. Me say me I like food, and this way you talk now. Na topic where be say I did very well interested because me I like food. This time where be say even we need to the trek plenty. You need food. So if anything we need to talk about now, the most important thing now food. Because before now we no get trekkers association. Now
I don't join them.
In fact, they prepare for election now. If you want buy form, so if you want trek far, you need food.
Yes, all right. We could go on a very short break. When we come back, we're gonna talk all the things where they are belly for meet everything where they are belly come out. More listen to this TY Bello. The land is green. Yes, we could talk a little bit about agriculture and food security. My name is Dakore Ekpendu. When I come back, I sit with Collins Ajibola for studio.
The land is green. It's green. Oh. The land is green. It's green. Can't you see? I can see all the harvest is ready, 'cause he told me so. It's green and it's all mine. Stand in the rain as the clouds go gray. And the earth sings, season's just beginning. Sunlight it hides as the clouds make way for the pouring of my blessings. I will not afraid. I see it now, I understand, I know. So I embrace it, dance. In the rain, it's for my seed to grow. For every prayer and every seed I've sown, Lord of the harvest knows I'm reaping back 100-fold. The land is green, it's green, oh, oh. The land is green, it's green, can't you see? The harvest is ready, 'cause the Lord of the harvest told me so. It's green for me. It's green for me. Standing alone can be a heavy load, but my vows I won't be breaking. Though my heart is aching, I got a word and I won't let go. It's your will I'm seeking, so I keep on believing. I see it now, I understand, I know. So I embrace it, dance. Once again, it's time for me to grow. For every prayer and every tear I've sown, Lord of the harvest knows I'm reaping joy 100-fold. The land is green, it's green, oh, oh. The land is green, it's green, can't you see? The harvest is ready, 'cause the Lord of the harvest told me so. It's green for me. I thought it was over, thought you were done with me, but we're just beginning. Whoa, my life is a journey. I will walk with you, I will go where you want me to. Yes, I will go. Come on. He told me that the land is green. Hey, yeah. The land is green. It's green, oh, oh. The land is green. It's green, can't you see? The land is green. It's green, oh, oh. The land is green. It's green, can't you see? The land is green. It's green, oh, oh. The land is green, it's green, can't you see? I can see all the harvest is ready, 'cause he told me so. It's green and it's all mine.
Alright, so they say I where they cry. I don't know if the eye they see road. I don't know about Nigeria, but they say I where they cry, no they see road. I don't know if they cry right now because of the economic situation for we country, for we Obodo Nigeria. Anyhow, we say we will talk about food security, and my guest don't land Gidado for studio. Her name is Dr. Rose Gidado. Now she be the Director of Agri Biotechnology for National Biotechnology Development Agency. She did with me live and direct for studio. Yay! And she won't follow people talk today. Yes, she won't talk about this whole thing when they call GMO and, biotechnology. Madam, how you doing?
I did fine, no.
How your journey before you reach here?
My journey was fine. My journey good, well. Although, I don't know, it took us time to get here because we don't know road, so we miss small, but at least we're here now. We don't learn Gidado.
Alright, okay, so we talk about GMO, genetic modified organism today, and I want to ask you, what be this GMO? What people they always talk about, what they always hear everywhere, because we know say you there for this field, gone, and you would like to educate us about it. I beg, what be the meaning of this GMO?
GMO na something good. whether na abi plant, whether na animal, you know, whether na what will I say, microorganism is something that can be beneficial to people, you know. Like say now, if I get corn, corn wey if I want make if I farm am, I want get plenty corn for my farm. Say make my harvest dey plenty. You know say these days most farmers when they farm they know they harvest plenty at all.
True talk.
Because our soil done already tire. We dey till the soil every now and then, you know. And then we have many, you know, insects all around because the insects too, then they look for food. They go come spoil the corn. Like say na armyworm now, everybody sabi armyworm. You know, before the corn come grow, armyworm go enter, spoil the thing. So the farmer is just there. He has spent all his money. He don't spend his money finish. So the thing where scientists they do say to prevent that thing now, it gets something where you go come out, gene where you go come out, you know, from maybe sorghum from another crop, maybe or another tree, where insect no defeat spoil am. It gets something where that thing gets that insect no defeat spoil am. So you go now take that gene, now put them inside the corn, so that your corn can have that thing. And once your corn get that thing, you go fit get bumper harvest because those insects where they disturb the corn, like the fall armyworm, like the stem borer, you know, all of them they no go fit destroy your crop. So your crop go come do well, well. Once you put your fertilizer, you dey do them well, you dey weed the farm, you know, everything, your harvest go dey big, plenty. And once you get plenty harvest, you know say farming is all about you getting plenty harvest. If you no get plenty harvest, forget about it too. So as you dey get the plenty harvest, you go fit sell and get money. Now more money for you. And once you get more money, of course, you know, your family go feed well. You feed, as a farmer, take your children to school and all those things. So we dey do you know, plenty. Even for human, you know, if we can also modify, you know, change something small for human being whether na hypertension or e get gene where if you get you know go do hypertension or do diabetes or do what.
True talk.
So now so you fit do am for human. That one then they call them gene therapy. They call them gene therapy.
All right.
So as they remove that thing that causes diabetes in you, in what, that's it. You'll be well. And when that person gives birth to children, those children would not have anything like that disease. So GMO good though.
Okay, you don't talk very well. You know, say they talk say akara and moimo na the same family they belong. The only thing make them they different. Now waiting they pass through them. Now go make them they different.
Yes.
I beg, I want make you tell us now how this biotechnology go fit impact our crop enhancement. You know, some people don't know anything about this technology. We don't enter inside agriculture. You just be like for olden days, people go say, now to trek, now better pass. Just like me and Collins, they talk before when I enter. Collins, they say, well, we don't trek. Means I don't even join the trekking association club now for Obodo, Niger. But you know, so some people don't know much about this biotechnology. So what will be the difference? If anybody won't come start them now, how this thing won't take benefit them?
You know, say na higher technology.
Okay.
Just like I talked, it make your crop the thing where you dey cultivate better in terms of your crop being attacked, by insects, by microorganisms, either bacteria or virus or what. In terms of cassava, na virus where we dey take care of, so that the farmer can have bumper harvest. So there are so many things. It gets some way we dey work on that you will not use much fertilizer like rice. You will not use much fertilizer, and even if your soil gets salt, because rice does not do well, they do well for soil wey get salt. So we fit modify that rice, so that rice, if you plant it even on soil wey get salt, the rice go do, and farmer go get big harvest. So we dey do that one too. And then I've told you about corn, and then we dey do sorghum in terms of guinea corn. Sorghum is guinea corn. For pidgin, I don't know what dem dey call am, whether na guinea corn. So I know say na guinea corn.
This side they go say na dawa.
Okay, na dawa in Hausa is dawa. Dawa dey good o. Children dey eat am. The small babies, that have stopped sucking breast, they take they take that in form of akamu. We dey use and make akamu and to give our children. And in the north, they eat that dawa, as tuwo in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, because no much choice, So, but the dawa no gets some nutrients where they build body, they make body look fine, with minerals, vitamins. So the thing no get those vitamins like vitamin A, E, iron. Iron is for blood. So that we get one project where we dey put those things like the iron, the zinc, into the seed of that dawa, so that a farmer can grow his dawa, grow it, and then harvest, and that dawa that he's going to have will be rich in these nutrients, protein, even increase the protein, so that when people, our own people where they village get that dawa, our farmers get that dawa, and as they grow it, harvest, and then they sell it, many people will buy it, and many in the villages, so that when the children eat, the children will get that vitamin A, will get the protein, will get. So the iron, the iron is for blood, and vitamin A too, they make children to be blind. Many children they born them blind, they know they see. I say that one no good. But that vitamin A, if they get vitamin A for your diet, that blindness your child will not have that blindness. So these are some of the important things where the technology they fit do that other technologies cannot do. Say, I don't know, for pidgin, I cannot explain it very well.
All right, doctor, in fact, as you know, people don't even they call in already. I'm sure say many Nigerians get questions where they go ask. Yes, but make we quickly go for this short break. Make we try, say we swallow spit, then drink water small. When we come back, Dr. Stay with us for studio, then we will come make the phone lines available so that you, where they very interested, since this calls on the coming now we'll come ask on a question. Dr. D here with us. Make we not go anywhere. We will come back after this very short break.
Biotechnology is any technique that uses living organisms, plants, animals, and microbes, or any part of an organism's cells, genes, protein, enzymes to produce goods and services for the benefit of mankind. Since thousands of years, humankind has used biotechnology in agriculture, environment, industry, and in medicine. Nigeria cannot be left out. The National Biotechnology Development Agency, NABDA, with its mandate to promote biotechnological activities that would positively respond to national aspirations for food security, job and wealth creation, poverty eradication, affordable healthcare delivery system, industrialization, and sustainable economic environments driving the use of biotechnology in Nigeria. National Biotechnology Development Agency is here to deploy, domesticate, facilitate, coordinate, and promote the development of biotechnology in Nigeria. For more information, call 0803-314-2898 or +234-497-830-017, +234-497-800-16, or visit www.nabda.gov.ng or www.ofabnigeria.com. Like us on Facebook, OFAB Nigeria, OFAB. Follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. This message is brought to you by the Open Forum on Agricultural Biotechnology in Africa, OFAB Nigeria Chapter.
Alright, now welcome back. I just want to apologize for that small mix-up. My name is still Dakore Ekpendu, and I still there for studio. Yes, we talk about food security. Okay, you don't do so much well for that explanation we give. The last question I want to ask you before we come up for studio, now to tell us the role where biotechnology they play in reducing post-harvest losses and food waste. Many people don't suffer for this food waste. We just get 1 minute before we come up for studio.
Okay, I just give you one example for that food waste. You know, tomato is a vegetable. I know, say, if you buy tomato, it doesn't take long, it goes spoil. So with biotechnology now, we have some tomatoes where the skin hard small. It derive, but it derive slowly. Do you understand? So you can even if you keep it out of the fridge, it can stay many days.
For many days, it no go
spoil. So you know that kind tomato, you know, you fit transport them far. Without any spoilage, mechanical damage, and all. So the technology can actually do a lot of things, and so on and so forth. You know, once you put those genes in the crop, you know, so they will confer resistance, you know, to some of those insects. You know, say the insect bite, they spoil, you know, it will color your grains, it will do a lot of havoc to your grains and all. So the damage that is caused by those insects is actually much. So, and those damages can also contribute to post-harvest losses. So that when you take your grains, you harvest your grains and take them for storage, you know, they may not last long.
Okay, all right. Dr. Rose, time done for us to finally pack our kaya, come up for studio. Thank you so much. Say you come studio today, come sit down with me and Collins, come they explain so many things about this GMO. Next week, I would like me to bring one of una come. And for those that listen, my name is still Dakore Ekpen. I'm going to play one last promo before we come up for studio. Una bye-bye.
Did you know that genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are safe and do not pose any risk, hazard, or danger to human, animal, and the environment? Neither do they cause cancer, infertility, sterility, tumor, or any adversity. There is safe use of GMO drugs like insulin, vaccine, rapid diagnostic test kits for malaria, HIV, hepatitis, and so on. The safety of GMOs is certified by the World Health Organization, WHO, Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, European Food Safety Authority, EFSA, the National Academies of Science globally, the Royal Society, UK, and over 110 prize Nobel laureates and over 5,000 students. GMOs are safe, effective, and certified by MBMA in Nigeria. This message is brought to you by the National Biotechnology Development Agency, NABDA.